Good morning, everyone. The Crescent School, Unit 2, Comprehension Workbook. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify new vocabulary and discuss its meanings. Identify the main idea. Now, students, let's start reading the comprehension. Playing footbag for fun. I live in Colombia, in a small town near Medellin. My town is in the Andes Mountains, about 15 meters above sea level. Around my town, there are large plains, deep canyons, and wide valleys. What do I do for fun? I play footbag. A footbag is a soft bag filled with plastic beads. Today, I am playing footbag with my friends in the park. We are playing next to a lake. Here, how you play. Today, it's my turn to start. I kick the bag in the air and pass it to Manuel. We all take turns kicking the bag. We are careful not to drop it. Footbags aren't like balls. When they fall, they don't bounce. There are different ways to play footbag. The most popular is called circle kicking. That's what my friends and I play. We stand in a circle and take turns kicking the footbag. It's not easy because the footbag can only touch your body below the knee. You have to pass the footbag to the next person in the circle, but it can't touch the ground. Some of the older kids play freestyle footbag. That's really hard and you have to learn to do tricks. For now, I enjoy playing footbag with my friends. But one day I want to learn to do tricks. Now, dear students, this comprehension passage was about main idea. In first passage, the main idea was that he plays footbag for fun. Now, what's the main idea in the last section? In the last section, the main idea is that he wants to learn to do tricks. Now, here are difficult words and their meanings. Number 1, plains, a large area of flat land with few trees. Number 2, canyons, a deep valley, typically one with a river flowing through it. Number 3, lake, a large area of water surrounded by land. Number 4, kick, strike or propel forcefully with the foot. Number 5, drop, let or make something fall vertically. Last one, number 6, bounce, move quickly up, back or away from a surface after hitting it. Now students, your assignment for today is read the comprehension passage on your own and learn the vocabulary words by heart. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.